Hi guys, it's Daniele from Limitless Valley. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about affirmation. I will also do a short demonstration for you. Affirmations are very powerful. You just need to repeat them as long as is needed in order to create new beliefs and truths, especially if you hold negative long-term beliefs and truths. If you are in a positive or neutral state, it can be easy, for example, to become happy and improve happiness. But if you hold negative beliefs about happiness and the world, you need more work in order to rewrite limiting belief and install the new empowering one. Again, results depend from your starting point. However, if you practice affirmation over and over, you can expect positive results, and that's for sure. Say it once, you will live like a footprint on the sand, easy to disappear. Say it few times, you will leave a weak memory, hard to recall. Say it from time to time, you will create a dream, hard to materialize. Say it over and over again, you will rewrite your brain and make it a reality. Affirmations are very powerful. You just need to practice them over and over. Like you do any other skill or talents, like Michael Jordan, Lionel Messi, Tiger Woods, many other champions. They have been practicing over and over again to achieve great level of skill and to be able to keep them at the peak. Do you want an excellent, abundant life? It takes commitment and hard, smart work. So start daily practicing affirmation. They do help. How to best practice affirmation? Well, you need to say them loud, but this is not enough, of course. When you say them, after each one of them, take a little pause and feel it. Have a flash, a vision, a feeling, a smell, an image. You have been, for example, you have been happy, or even if you haven't, you have seen people in this state, you know what it is, you can mimic it. So when you say it, give your brain and your body the time to change, to adapt to it. You say, you imagine, you feel, and your body and your brain adapt, create a new memory. More time you do it, more easily it will be to recall and return in this state. So say it, imagine it, feel it, vibrate with it. Okay, for today, let's use a few simple examples as a demonstration. I'm happy, I'm healthy, I'm full of energy, I'm successful, my life is abundant. Okay, so I'm healthy, I'm happy, I'm full of energy, I'm successful, my life is abundant. Practice it, saying them loud over and over when you have time, or better as you go, especially when negative feeling, emotion, memory, thoughts come up. Well, for today, this is it. I'll be back with more affirmation video. We will be practicing them together. Bless you. Ciao, guys.